In this lecture, I'm going to explain you about the date functions which are available in Excel sheet. So let us go ahead and understand the various date functions one by one. I listed various tasks and the formulas to be used to perform those tasks over here. So first task is convert date to a number in Excel. So Excel has a formula called as date value, which converts the date of a particular date into a predefined Excel sheet number. So this number will be always constant for a particular date, irrespective of where you are located. So date value, then you enter the particular date that you want the value for. So equal to date value 1/1/2016. You need to enter the date in double quotes. Okay. Next is to find today's date. So if you want to find today's date, then you need to use this formula, which is equal to today, then you will get the today's date in the format of date, month, and year. Next is like we want to find out the day of the week on a particular date. Then you need to use a formula called as weekday date value and then the type. So let us dive into it, what exactly the syntax is. So weekday takes the number, that is this Excel number, as its first input, and then it takes the form in which you want to return the day number for that. So if I go and double click over here and change this, so yeah, there are a number of options available over here for me. So one will if I enter one number over here, then Sunday will be taken as 1 and 7 will be taken as Saturday. If I take option 2, then Monday will be taken as number 1 and Sunday will be taken as number 7. So I want Monday to be the first day in the week, so I will choose this option 2 by double clicking that. And to find out what is the Excel number that is we saw earlier, I will use this function called as date value and then enter the particular date, and now I can press enter. So this returns 5. So if we go over here and see that for 1st December 1st of January 2016, it is Friday, which is 1 2 3 4 5 6. Sorry, so Monday was our first day, so 1 2 3 4 5, fifth day, that is the Friday, is the particular day for that. So 5 is represented by that day. So next is like if we want to find out the number of days between the two dates, then we need to use this formula days and then enter the end date and then enter today's date or the date from which you want to do calculation for number of days. So this is the end date and this is the start date. So I have entered the formula as days, end date, and then the start date. End date as 1/1/2016 and start date to be today. So number of days left before New Year is 5. Then converting date value to text. So if you want to convert the date value to a particular text format, like you enter this formula like text, then you write value. Value may be anything, like it can be in any format, the date can be in any format. And then so I have used today as the formula, and then you need to enter the format. So I use DD, that is the day, then month, and then year. So if I use double Y over here again and click enter, it will say 27/12/2015. If it is just YY only, then it is 27/12/15. So you can try out multiple text formats that are available. So if you want to understand more about text field, then just go and click over here. It will open up the Excel help automatically for you. Yeah, it will open up Excel help for automatically for you. and you can just scroll down and understand about more about it. Moving ahead, we have a next in next Excel sheet we have a task to perform. So earlier you saw that how we found out the day number for a particular date, and we are using this function for our next task. So find a day of the week for today. So first is like I have already inputted this formula over here, which is equal to weekday, then date value. I converted the today's date into a particular text format which is required by date value, so that it returns the Excel number which is required by weekday. And weekday I have used two number values, so that Monday will be my first number day. And then the output is 7. So today is Sunday, and this I have already calculated it using the if function over here. I have given you a hint, that is, if you use this if function, then you can find out what is today's day and write it in like Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, or something like that. So go ahead and download this Excel sheet. So in that, this formula would be deleted, and you need to put up your own formula and complete the task. So thanks for watching this video.